the intro. We're doing a D minor shape, but that's actually a substitute chord for a major 7. But anyways, you don't need to know that. Just play a D minor shape at the 9th. Slide it up to the 11th, back to the 9th. And then go to this E major 7. Okay, and then they go to the A. To an E, and then that's when they go into the verse. The verse is E. F minor, A, they do variations on that with their picking. They do one where it's all muted, so you just rest your hand on the strings. So, but it's all E, F minor to A. After the verse, it goes to about 2 minutes 30 seconds. Then they stop and they go, you may. So that's what they're playing in that first section. E, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, A major 7, back to the E. You can play an A there too. Then they go back into the verse. About 4 minutes and 8 seconds, they come out of the second verse and they do that. Okay, I think they go to this E major 7, but they play the bass E. This is the hardest part of the song. That's the chord. On the bottom end, we're playing that E major 7, and then we got the A muted, and then E string. It's a big chord, big sounding. And that's the end of the song. That's a great request, and Backseat Lovers taking over the music world. Thanks for watching. Bye.